Let me just start by saying this right out of the gate. Most porn recovery programs do not work. Yeah, they might get you to stop watching porn for a few days, weeks, or even months, but they don't change who you are. They only focus on surface level behavior while ignoring the real problem: identity, discipline, and purpose. In today's episode of The Rebuilt Man, I'm exposed to the 5 major reasons why these programs fail and show you what actually works, the methods that we've used and built here at The Rebuilt Man, and what sits inside of our 12-week Reboot Your Life program that has helped thousands of men experience real, lasting, permanent transformation and freedom. Guys, my name is Coach Frank Rich, founder of The Rebuilt Man. It is our mission to help men become better men by quitting porn and rebuilding life. If you're new to the podcast, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you're watching us here on YouTube, turn those post notifications on so you are notified every single time a new episode is released. But there's 5 reasons, guys, 5 reasons why most porn recovery programs fail. We're going to dive into those starting right now. Reason number 1, they focus solely on behavior and not identity. Most guys are told to just block the porn, avoid the triggers, count the days. This is all about managing behavior, but that's treating the symptom and not the cause. If you're still the same man on the inside, you're going to find ways to relapse. That's why we don't just help you quit porn. We help you become the man that no longer wants, needs, or desires this in his life. The Rebuilt Man, Reboot Your Life, is built upon identity transformation. It is the foundation of everything that we do. Rebuild your self-image, rebuild your standards, and rebuild your purpose from the inside out. Number 1 reason why most porn recovery programs fail is you're focusing solely on behavior and not identity transformation. Reason number 2 is they keep you stuck in guilt and shame. Let's be honest. A lot of recovery models make shame the center of the process. Whether it's 12 steps where you keep saying, I'm an addict, or a church group where you feel like every failure, every time you slip, it keeps you trapped in this same shame cycle. But shame doesn't heal you, brother. It's only going to paralyze you. Here, my beliefs is we reject the label of an addict. You are not broken. You're just walking out of alignment with who you're supposed to be. We help you reclaim your identity. We help you become a man of strength, integrity, honor, discipline, and leadership. The Rebuilt Man is about becoming a man, not staying stuck as an addict. Reason number 2 why most recovery programs are going to fail is they're going to keep you stuck in the shame cycle. Reason number 3 is they do not rebuild the man. Even if a guy stops watching porn, most porn recovery programs don't show him what to do with this new life. He's left empty, directionless. Now that boredom, that lack of mission, that's exactly what pulled you into porn in the first place. Freedom is about more than just quitting. It's about rebuilding, transformation, transcending the old identity, a killing off of the old self, a creation of a new man. Here at Rebuilt Recovery, we rebuild every single part of your life: your faith, your fitness, your finances, your family, your freedom, your mission, your purpose, your frame, your habits. Whatever it is that makes you who you are, we're going to help you rebuild that in your life. So now when you get free, you can stay free. You can walk in freedom forever because you become the man that is too powerful to go back. Reason number 3 why most approaches to porn recovery are going to fail is they are not focused on rebuilding and transforming the new man. Reason number 4 why most approaches to quitting porn are going to fail is they are not using an actual system. Most recovery advice is very vague. Pray more, journal more, just stay busy, do some push-ups, try to distract yourself, whatever the case may be. This is not a system. This is just scattered BS advice. When you're struggling with something as powerful and deeply that is wired as porn, you need real structure. Here at the Rebuilt Man, Reboot Your Life program is a 12-week, fully integrated, holistic approach, step by step, that is grounded and rooted in neuroscience, in behavioral change, in identity transformation. Everything that you need is going to be laid out in a framework for you to follow over the course of a 12-week transformational guide. We give you a clear path, but more importantly, we give you the tools to follow through with it. Reason number 4 why most approaches to quitting porn are going to fail is they are not using a system. They are just using vague, scattered advice. Reason number 5 why most recovery programs are going to fail is they're going to leave you isolated. Most men fight this battle alone. Even in group-paced programs, the connection is weak. There's no masculine challenge. There's no fire. There's no real, true brotherhood. Isolation is the oxygen of addiction. Addiction feeds itself in loneliness and isolation. You cannot win this battle, brother, while you are in the dark. Here at The Rebuilt Man, we plug you into a tribe of high-performing, successful men, men who challenge you, call you to be higher, and walk with you shoulder to shoulder through that fire. Reason why number 5, most recovery programs are going to fail is they're going to leave you feeling alone and feeling isolated, which is exactly why you fell into porn in the first place. So you may be asking yourself, what makes The Rebuilt Man different? Why is Reboot Your Life the most powerful program for men who are serious about freedom? It's going to break it down in some pillars. It's going to start with pillar number 1, identity transformation first. We start with who you are, not what you do, because your identity is going to dictate your behavior. Everything you do on a day-to-day basis is driven out of the person that you see yourself to be. Pillar number 1 is we're going to start with transforming and transcending that old identity and help you walk into a new one. Pillar number 2 is our approach is built upon a fully integrated, holistic model. Faith, fitness, purpose. This is whole man transformation. You rebuild your body. You rewire your brain. You reshape your heart. You reignite the fire inside of you to become the man that God put you on this earth to be. You connect deeper with your mission and anchor yourself into something that has a higher calling for your life. Reason number 2, or pillar number 2, what makes our approach different is it's built upon a fully integrated, holistic approach. Number 3, pillar number 3 that separates us from everything else is it is a structured, proven system, not just scattered random advice, but something that has been proven and built upon and integrated over the last 5 years of working with thousands of men in the trenches. That started in 2019 with my own transformation. But then I've interviewed over 270 experts across all domains of transformation. And we've taken this and we built it into a roadmap of true transformation. The third pillar that makes our program different is it's built upon a structured system. Pillar number 4 is we help you build daily successful habits. These habits are going to rewire your brain through morning routines, through discipline, through cold showers, through journaling, through difficult and necessary conversations. It's inside of these daily habits where the neuroscience meets the warrior that's inside of you, and we integrate this together. Pillar number 4 is we are going to help you build a new life based upon new daily standards. In the 5th one, we've already touched on this. It's going to be our brotherhood and our real coaching and accountability. I want you to know that you do not need to fight this battle alone anymore. You can be surrounded by a group, a tribe of elite men that have been where you are before and want to see you walk down that same path. We have guys that have been with us for well over a year, guys that left porn in the dark months ago, but they stick around because they want to see others level up and win. What we've created here in the Rebuilt Man community is truly unique, and it's probably the thing that I'm most proud of is the caliber of men that we've brought into our community. So the 5th pillar that's going to separate us from everything else out there is going to be our brotherhood, our coaching, and our community. But what I want you to understand here as we wrap this episode up and bring it to a close here is this is not about managing porn. This is not about behavioral management. This is about becoming a man that no longer wants, needs, or desires it in his life. If you're tired of white knuckling this, if you're tired of relapsing, if you're tired of saying you'll quit tomorrow, then it is time to rebuild your life, brother. I want you to go to school.com, SKOOL.com/reboot your life. And I'm going to give you a free week sneak peek inside of our program. Join us for free for 1 week. No obligation to stick around, no obligation to stay. But if you are sick and tired of being where you are and know that you were meant for more, go to school.com, SKOOL.com/reboot your life. Click the link to apply, and we'll see you guys on the inside. But remember, it's not about perfection. It's about progress. Small incremental change day over day leads to lasting transformation. Guys, I hope this helped. I hope there was value inside of this. School.com, SKOOL.com /reboot your life. And I'll see you guys on the inside.